After mashing, it is essential to efficiently separate the water-soluble extract from the mash from the non-soluble husk material within a short time frame. This separation process is known as wort filtration. The complete procedure comprises 3 core stages. 1. Enzymatic enhancement phase. Residual alpha amylase continues to act, further breaking down small amounts of incompletely liquefied high molecular weight dextrins into colorless dextrins and fermentable sugars, hereby maximizing the extraction efficiency of the raw materials. 2. Primary wort separation. Using filtration systems to extract the initial clear wort. This stage requires ensuring the wort's preliminary clarity. 3. Mash wort washing. Hot water is used to wash the mash, thoroughly eluting soluble extractives adsorbed onto the fiber of the mash husk, resulting in second and third filtrate quality wort. In practical brewing, certain conditions can lead to turbidity in the post-filtration wort, which brewers must avoid. 1. Overmilling the raw materials causes mash particles to penetrate the filter layer. 2. Washing water temperatures exceeding 80 degrees Celsius can dissolve ineffective components of the husk and disrupt colloidal stability. 3. Improper procedures during initial filtration backflush, such as entering subsequent processes before clarification is complete. 4. Inadequate control of parameters, like pressure and liquid levels during filtration, can loosen or compromise the filter bed. This concludes the current discussion on wort filtration technology. In the next installment, we will focus on wort boiling techniques. Please stay tuned. For equipment needs, remember to contact Tian Tai.